Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. So I believe in staying up late and sleeping in during the summer. Okay, the reason why I like to be able to be extremely efficient at the different opposite ends of the day. So in the morning time, I'm generally pretty focused and pretty pretty productive. Also, late at night, I'm pretty productive. So, right around 9 p.m. to 10 p.m., I'm generally more focused on the actual work that I like to do. Right? So, during the middle of the day is the time when I like to kind of slack off, whether it's go to lunch, whether it's work out every single day, whether it's to go to an art museum, whatever the case might be. I like to have fun during the day, but work at the ends, the opposite poles of the day. And that's why I believe it's very great to be able to, stay up late during the summertime and just be able to just kind of tweak your schedule so that you can learn how to actually be more productive. Okay? Hopefully, if you want to start moving forward, I recommend you go join my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies, where we help you find little hacks and little tricks to be able to squeeze out more productivity and actually help you become successful in your business and your life. If that's what you're searching for, go check out the link in the description below. Have a great day, talk to you soon, and see you later.